Hi guys, so in this video it's not really a tutorial, it's just an old drawing that I did a while ago on my other channel. So I just wanted to put it on this channel, so yeah. So yeah, so I did the drawing. So basically, I like it. It's one of my best so far, I think. So yeah, some things I like, for example, like the glasses and the skin and stuff, some parts, but mostly what I like is the shading on this side, and this is has light on this side. But in general, I like the drawing. But I mean, I always find things that I don't like. For example, the mouth, I don't like it. I always have problems with the mouth and teeth and nose a little bit also. The eyes, I'm okay. I'm okay with it. Um, and I rushed a little bit the hat here. I didn't do much details here, and here I didn't do any details because here on a picture on a photograph there was a towel here, so it has a lot of textures. But I didn't put any texture here, so I just put like a cloth or something. And here there's also another thing. I tried to put a little bit of texture on the skin, like here. There's like a little bit texture here and here. But the thing is that here the skin on the picture on the photograph, the skin on the picture, it was a little bit shiny, so a little bit glossy. So when the light hits here, here I put only white, but on the photograph, it's really like you see all the texture of the skin here because of the light hits. Here you see all kind of texture, but I didn't do that because I would need something like a paint, like I can put some dots of paint or something, like, because with a white pen like this, I cannot really put dots like that, and texture is just a little bit hard. I need to add really color to it, like to add white on it. So I would like to put some more texture, and also the hair. I left a little bit of white, but on the picture, the real picture, you can see like there's a lot of the hair is shiny, glossy. You see a lot of white hair. So, and even on the eyebrows, and I could have put some more texture and stuff, but maybe later if I get some tool to improve on that and put some texture here. But this one is done, man. I mean, on another drawing I could improve on the texture a little bit. But yeah, so that's about it. So thank you very much, and subscribe. So see you. Bye bye.